Today, we are showing top 3 soldering station in 2025's. Hi guys, are you looking for the best soldering station? If you received a new soldering station, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 3 best soldering station on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. Aten Street 86D Hot Air BGA Rework Station. The unit is equipped with a digital temperature and airflow display, making it easier for users to monitor and control the rework process. Precise control over these settings is critical for successful BGA rework, as even slight temperature variations can affect the soldering quality. The Aten Street 86D is designed with electrostatic discharge S protection to prevent any electrical damage to sensitive components during rework operations. This ensures that the work is done in a safe and controlled environment, minimizing risks to the electronic components. Its temperature control, user-friendly interface, and cooling functions make it a reliable choice for anyone working with delicate BGA components. Whether you are repairing smartphones, laptops, or other electronic devices. Number 2. Quick 861DW Heat Gun. The Quick 861DW is powered by a 1000-watt heating element, which provides high airflow and rapid heat-up times. This high power allows it to heat up quickly and maintain consistent temperatures, making it ideal for tasks that require fast. Number 3. Yihua 995D Plus 2 in 1 soldering station. It is one of the standout features of the Yihua 995D Plus is its dual functionality. It combines both a soldering iron and a hot air rework station in a single unit, allowing users to perform a variety of tasks without needing separate tools. This design is especially